There's something in my closet that shouldn't be here. What you doing, little guy? I know my cats brought you in. I have enclosed myself in the closet with the bird. I'm about to attempt to capture it gently. Oh. Come on, bird. I want to just set you free. You're so cute. I hope you're okay. I kind of think they might have tore off its back tail, but it was kind of flying around, but not flying properly. You're such a cutie. I'm sorry, my cats are terrorists. Ah! Oh, whoop! See? Oh, okay. Ah! Oh my gosh. All right, well, there it is. Right there. Yeah, see, like, shouldn't it have a tail? I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm just gonna set you free, I hope. Oh, you're such a cutie. Poor little thing. Look how nervous it is. It's okay, baby. Okay. It's okay. Ah! Oh, fuck, you're fast. Okay. This might take a while. Ah! Probably need to... Me versus the bird. Okay, I'm just gonna... Okay, get down. Come on. Get down, bird. Get down. Oh. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Come where I can reach you. Oh. Okay. Trying to see if I can do this myself before calling in backup. Oh. Oh. Oh, crap. No. Can't let it escape. Let me close the doors. Are you just going to mock me up there? Oh, goodness. I need a bigger towel or shirt to throw at it. It knows I can't reach it. Come on. Oh, God, it just keeps going higher. Oh. Oh. I hear Carl. Maybe I'm going to get lucky. He's going to come in the bedroom and be like, what are you doing in the closet? Oh, I almost got it. Oh, no. Oh. Man, how's it so fast? Ah! It's walking on my foot. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, my goodness. You're fast. I'm just going to assume that you can make it once I free you. If you're this fast, surely you can escape far enough to get away from my cats. You know what? Let me find a bigger piece of clothing to throw at it. Okay. Oh, 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 oh. Okay. I feel like a wuss. Oh, you're so fast. I'll bury you under clothing. Maybe I'll win this time. Okay, I'm burying you under the clothing. Don't you escape. You stay right there. Oh, surely I've got it this time. Where is it? I can't tell if it's here or not. Ah, fuck! I lost it! Again! Okay. This bird's kicking my ass. I know you're in here, little bird. Man, this bird is just mocking me now. Oh my God, oh my God. You make me nervous when you flap at me. Okay. I think I'm gonna have to give up and call in backup. God, I done worked up a sweat trying to capture this bird. If it flies through the store when I sneak out, I'm gonna lose my mind. Wish me luck. Hey friends, I remember I have a giant insect net, so let's see if I can use this to catch that bird. Wish me luck. Hey bird, I'm coming for you. Do not fly. Where is it?
Top shelf.
Is it in the middle or which side is it?
Kind of in the middle.
Oh, ah! Oh, it touched me. Oh, I think I've got it. Ah, I did it. All right, let me get video evidence. I got it. Yeah, you can come in. I have caught the bird. I did it. Yay, big brain.
Okay. Slide it onto here.
Oh, okay. Solid surface. All right, we've got it pinned.
I'll lose it.
Okay. I caught it. I won. Now, I don't know. Yeah, it's missing the back tail, so I don't know what we should do.
I mean, I don't know what we can do other than let it go. What do you want to do?
I don't know. Should we ask the internet?